Hello friends, welcome back to Take Creativity. Today we will learn about how to configure Google Assistant Blink with the help of IFTTT. So let's first see how it's work.
Hey Google, turn on light.
Okay sir, turning on the light in living room.
Hey Google, turn off light.
Okay sir, turning off the light in.
So friends, first of all we have to download Blink and IFTTT application from the Play Store. Go to Play Store and search Blink. It is already available on my device. So let's open the Blink app and sign in to it. After sign in, click the new project and put the project name. Home automation and choice device ESP8266. Then create. After that an authentication code will be sent to your mail ID. Then the created page will be opened. Now swipe screen left and add button. Then click button and select virtual pin V1. After that convert the push button into switch. Then back to page and click this button. Now let's move to IFTTT app. So open the app and I am already signed in. I have already have some applets. Now click the add icon to create a new applet. And click this icon. Search Google Assistant. After select Google Assistant, then select a simple fare. Now fill the form. Turn on light on, and what do you want the assistant to say in response? Okay sir, turn on light in living room. Select language English, then continue. After that we have to select that option and search webhook. Select webhooks and make a web request. First of all, we will type IP address for Blink server http:/206/43 / After that put authentication code which was received on mail ID. Select the authentication code and copy, then paste. /update. /virtual pin V1. Selected virtual pin V1. Now select put as method. Select application JSON as content type and select the body 0 semicolon and 0 put. Then continue. After continue, then finish it.
Guys, I wish for your good health and don't forget to subscribe our channel.